In this short video tutorial, I want to share with you how to increase or decrease the font size of your Chrome browser. So to start with, all you need to do is start by opening your Chrome browser, and then you can come all the way to the three dots over here, and you can see you can come all the way down to settings, and you can come to appearance over here in the left corner, the left icons over here, and you can select appearance, and you can come all the way to font size. So this font size, you can change them automatically using this drop down. You can see now it's medium, which is recommended. You can make it smaller, and you can see the effect even on the settings icon. Everything is now smaller, and you can make it very large, and you can see the size increase accordingly. So the one downside to this is that in some websites you may not find the site fonts also increasing or decreasing, or it may not have much effect. Okay, in such cases you have to come over here to customize fonts, and you can see over here. So once you're here, you can change the minimum font size. Right now it's set to tiny. You can increase it to see until the text that you have at the bottom here is up to the size that you are targeting. For example, you keep increasing, maybe you can take it to around 18, and you can see it's around 18 to 20, and you can see the size is increasing. So you can keep increasing the size until you get the minimum size to the size that you are targeting on those particular sites, and it's going to be effective. So at this point, you don't need to save anything, no need to save any setting. It automatically saves it, and you can just click out, and your text and everything is going to go back to that particular size, right? And you can always come back to the default one at any given point, and you can always go back to the main font size, and you can make it to medium, which is the recommended one. But then feel free to try it, feel free to play around with the text, the font size, okay, to increase or decrease it as appropriate, depending on what you want to do, depending on whether you need it to be large or you need it to be small. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to always hit the subscribe and notification buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I will see you in my next video. Bye.